In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Mailchimp subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your paid plan stops billing and your account moves to the free tier smoothly. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there. It may show your initials or a small avatar. This opens a menu with the settings you need. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. This is the central place where Mailchimp keeps your plan, details, invoices, and payment settings. So heading here ensures you're making changes in the right spot. Once you're on the Account and Billing page, find and select the Billing tab. Inside the Billing tab, click Monthly Plans or Credits. This section shows your current paid plan, any add-ons, credits, and the options available to change your subscription. It's helpful to pause for a moment on this page to confirm which plan you're on today and to note any upcoming renewal dates shown there. To cancel your current paid plan, choose the option to change plan. Then, select the free plan. In Mailchimp, moving to the free plan is what effectively cancels your paid subscription. You're not deleting your account, you're simply ending future charges by switching to the free tier. When you select the free plan, you'll typically see a confirmation screen that summarizes the change. Review the details, including when the change takes effect. In most cases, billing stops at the end of your current cycle, and your account will reflect free once the change is processed. Keep in mind that the free plan has lower sending limits and fewer features. If you currently use advanced automations, larger audience sizes, or specific add-ons, those may no longer be available after the switch. It's a good idea to make sure your current usage fits within the free plan's limits so you're not surprised later. If you have any remaining credits, they'll be shown on the billing page, and Mailchimp may apply them automatically according to their policies. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon, go to Account and Billing, open the Billing tab, select Monthly Plans or Credits, and choose the free plan to cancel the paid one. After you confirm, watch for an on-screen success message or a confirmation email. If the interface looks slightly different, look for similarly named options like Plans, Billing, or Subscriptions. You've now canceled your Mailchimp subscription by downgrading to free, and you can continue using the essentials without ongoing charges.